In any processing of any extension spring, there's an extensive amount of research that's done before we even make the spring. We go through the customer's specifications. We make sure that we, number one, have the right material, and we order it to that particular specification. Then we make sure all the sequence of all the operations are spelled out very specifically. All the tolerances are listed on the, we call it a quality plan, which is a step-by-step process to make the spring. We go through an extensive first piece requirement for each operation. We make an initial part off the coiler. We actually run it through every single process, grinding, stress relieving, setting, and we take it into inspection and it's checked at that point. And if the spring is good, but not necessarily in the center of the range that we need to make the part, it'll be sent back to do a second first piece. Again, go through the whole process, check everything out, bring it back into inspection. So we go through a very extensive, rigorous quality process through the whole manufacturing process of making the spring. And this is what assures you when you get your spring, you're going to have 100% quality and have no problems in the application. Our inspection department is one of the largest in the industry. Atlantic Spring is ISO approved, AS approved, and ITAR approved. We do both commercial ISO springs as well as an extensive amount of aerospace AS springs. We have over 12 scales to check springs, and we really do a very extensive testing of every order we make. Some are as much as 100% inspection, some we do a percentage of depending on the application. But in each case, the inspection is such that you're assured that you have a quality product.